Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add owner or author name to a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open Adobe Acrobat Pro DC PDF software and select file option. Now select open and open your PDF file. You want to add owner name. Now select this menu bar option file and select properties. And properties dialog box, select this description option already selected, and here you will find this author name box. Click on this box and type your name. And also here you will find this additional metadata, owner and owner title. You can type here and select OK, and finally select OK, and click this file option, save or save as a PDF file, and again go file option, select properties and see this. Yeah, this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.